So there's one other part of Taskize's offering. It's been talked about a lot today: data, insights, analytics, information about your business. Taskize has sort of rich reporting capability, and that's what we're going to show you today. So an example of something, apart from everything here being reportable, an example of an important metric is issue cause. So on this bubble, we're going to add an issue cause of missing commission as an example. And then we're going to go into reporting, and we're going to showcase some of those actionable insights that you can get from managing queries on Taskize as opposed to email. So you have here things like the number of bubbles and the number of queries that you've had with your counterparties and internal colleagues. If you're a service organization, either you're receiving service or you're giving service to your clients, you can track your request response rates, how quickly you're responding to queries, and how quickly you're closing queries. Now, this is really important because if you're on this platform and your counterparties are leveraging the technology, you both have the same data. You're both looking at the same set of information about query resolution times. We hear these stories often about a service provider saying that they're meeting their SLAs, but the service receiver saying, my dashboard's all red. We're not looking at the same information, right? So you can use the same information about your query resolution using Taskize. You can also see things like your counterparties that are causing you the most pain. So again, in email, operations users have a gut feeling, right? Has a gut feeling about who's causing them the most problems. But actually, with Taskize, you get the data. You know who's causing you the most problems because you're using that consistent approach to query resolution. And then finally, issue cause. So we saw earlier, we added a missing commission as an issue cause. You can see, I can't quite see on this side. Well, issue cause causes 51% of queries for this organization. So we can give you that information. You can then take that away and say, this is an area of my business. I need to invest operational dollars to make me more efficient. And that's really where the power is of using Taskize and data and insights. You get that information so that you're more informed about your operations strategy. It's important to know that these are our dashboards. The information is available on reports. We can export to Excel. You can use our API. If you've got your own reporting solutions and you want to augment it with other data, there's no problem. You can do that. So that's it for all the demos. What I will say is everything you've seen today has been driven by client requirements. So every aspect of our integrations, we're actually very proud to say that State Street are going to be using the Symphony integration to receive queries from their agent banks. An example of the dynamic prioritization we saw earlier, Euroclear wanted to be more efficient and provide a better service, so they drove that requirement for dynamic prioritization. So if there's something here that you like, that's great. It's out of the box, you can use it. But if there's something here you don't see that you would like, just talk to us, and we're happy to sort of develop requirements and solutions in conjunction with your feedback. Yes, that's all from us. Thank you very much.